Good morning. This is day 3, I think, of Kyoto and our last day in Japan. I'm so excited to explore the city today. I'm going to spend all of the last yen I have on all souvenirs I can possibly find. I wanted to come on here and share some good news. Somebody literally returned my earring to the lost and found. I got both of them. I'm so shook. I genuinely did not think I would ever see this earring again. But apparently the culture is different in Japan. People return things to the lost and found, like immediately. In America, they would be like, get that crusty, dusty earring away from me. So like, thank you to the nice Japanese lady who returned my earring. Literally, you just made my entire day. And fun fact about these earrings, I tend to lose them in dramatic instances, but for some reason, they always find their way back to me. Anyways, we're about to go explore the city. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll show you my outfit for today. An all monochrome outfit today, kind of non-intentionally, but I'm vibing with the pink because pink is apparently a very popular color in Japan, pale pink, which is obviously my favorite color, so not mad about it. Anyways, I'm late to breakfast, so I gotta go. So I forgot to film lunch because I accidentally left my camera, my phone in the bus, but we ended up going to sushi. I got so much sushi. I got a dried gourd roll, I got a pickled radish or pickled something roll, so many pickled vegetables I can't even keep track. I got some inari and of course I got some sake, so I'm nice and full, and now we're gonna go see the bowing deer, sacred animal in Japan. and we're gonna feed him some cookies. So I'm super excited for you guys to see the deers. They're so adorable. What'd you say?
Hola, ¿cómo estás ustedes?
Yeah, I failed Spanish in high school. I'm just kidding.
Can I pet you?
Oh, good job.
I'll pay
Thank
you
for
this
the bow.
if I
Thank
can pet
you
you.
for the bow.
I'll pay.
Thank
No,
you.
listen to me. Listen to me. I'll pay you
You
to
gotta
pet.
give him. He's bowing for you.
Oh boy. Hey, I'm sitting next to you, okay?
Hi, thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you.
What ticket?
Wait, he's gonna eat your ticket.
Huh? Who you looking around for? Did you do this? No. Listen. See my fingernail? This is for me. This is for me. Let's go. It's for me. So cute. Yeah, you're so cute. So cute.
So cute. I think so. So cute, so cute, so cute. You're welcome. Yes. 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 Here you go. Here you go. Alright guys, so we finally made it to Osaka.
Did you get some money?
Super crazy. A lot to take in. I'm loving it, but we only have an hour here to get dinner. I'm in the hotel room in Osaka trying to pack my suitcase and that bitch doesn't want to close. I've been sitting on it. And I also hope it's under 50 pounds because I'm not trying to fucking pay for that. I really didn't buy that many souvenirs, but I have an extra carry-on. Pray for me that I can close my luggage. This is what we're working with, you guys. Like, it's so lumpy. I still have yet to eat dinner because I was trying to explore Osaka. I only had like 1 hour and I was trying to buy as many souvenirs as possible, and I was like, I'll worry about food later. This is my last night here. Souvenirs are more important. So I ended up going to the Family Mart and I got like some soba noodles and some like seaweed salad, and it's literally midnight and I haven't ate yet because I'm not packing, but I'm about to sit down, have some dinner. Wow, I'm gonna take a shower, get nice and clean before my flight. And yeah, I'm pretty much packed. I have 2 carry-ons. You already know the deal. Hopefully TSA lets me through. Update on the seaweed salad. It was absolutely rank. I had to throw it away, but the soba noodles were all right.